Wake up before the morning sun, grab my hat and my work is done. Walk the path where the breeze is cool, surrounded by nature's golden rule. Rows of mango, banana and lime, orange and papaya, climbing high. Fruit trees heavy, hanging low, sweetest gifts that the earth can grow. Oh, we work the land, we tend the soil, growing life through every toil. Vegetables green and rice fields gold, and fish that swim in waters cold. From the garden to the patio.
O, ayan na. Para makita natin. Ayan, pinupulya na. Tignan nyo, nanininaw.
Tomatoes red and eggplants.
Kitang-kita na po yung buga ng drone. Buo ito na dinodrone ng LGU.
Then we walk to the open plain where the rice sways like golden rain. Stalks are tall and grains are fine, food for yours and food for mine. Down by the pond where water flows, tilapia and milkfish grow. Net goes down and pulls them up, freshness filling every cup. From the orchard to the tank, every corner has something to thank. No need to go to market far, our farm is like a shining star. Oh, we work the land and the soil, growing life through every toil. Vegetables green and rice fields gold, and fish that swim in waters cold. From the garden to the patio way, blessed are the seeds we sow each day. Sun goes down and work is through, resting now, me and you. Fruits and veggies, rice and fish, living out this simple wish. On this farm where life is sweet, everything we need to